Hi dear students, welcome back to OpenCV tutorial. So in this session I'm going to teach you how to resize the image as per your requirement. When it comes to image processing, when you are about to deal new images or some raw images from CCTV or any other recorded videos, already we have seen how to extract images from the video in last experiment, right? So let me teach you how to resize the extracted images into our required size. So we used to call that one as upscale and downscale. So upscaling in sense resizing, it's all about resolution. So upscale resolution and downscale resolution we'll see about while doing encoding, right? So let me show you. Here we go. First I'm going to import CV2 and then import numpy as np, and then I'm going to get, it's a simple line of codes. I'm going to get my input image CV2 dot what function we have to use. We have to use read, and then inside to that I'm going to pass the path where I'm going to get the image. So here I'm going to get the images from this folder. Let me copy this folder and let me use the double slash to get to read the input frames. That file name is happy7.jpg. whatever you want you can choose, that's up to you. And in case if you want to do for all the things, then you can include for loop into it, and you can read all the images and you can resize all the images. And then now I'm going to write cv2 dot show. So this function is used to display the image, display the original image. And what I have to give here, a image. Then now let me explain how to do the rescaling. So here I am going to use two methods. First let me start with downscale method. Okay, for that we need to create three variables. One is downscale width is equal to, you can give any width. Now I am going to give 250, and d height at so you can use any variable for this, it's up to you. Here I am going to give 1 or 200. This all downscale width and height I am defining, and the d point is going to be it's a combination of width and height, right? We all know that d point is equal to, inside to the bracket, type without mistake d width and d height. Now I'm going to call a new function, new variable, which is going to be the resized downscale. Whatever name you want you can give. So I want to give a small one, resized, or else we can give with the prefix d resized equal to cv2 dot resize. And here you can see the parameters. What are the parameters I'm going to pass? First one is source, which is image, and then next I'm going to pass at that point d points, and the next it is asking for DST, it's not required, fx fy it is not required. Next interpolation is equal to, we have to use that the predefined function cv2 dot in interlinear, and that's it. Now I can show you that cv2 dot show I'm going to pass first one as that downscale resized image, comma, here I'm going to pass, I have to pass this variable. This is going to be the resized one, and cv2 dot wait key. I need to mention the delay now. Then destroy all the windows, cv2 dot destroy all windows. Now let me save this and execute. Click run. So here you can see that downscaled resolution image from the original one. This is the original image, and here you can see the downscaled one, right? Let me minimize it. Yes, here it is. So the downscaled one, the resolution is exactly 250 width and 200 height. So now let me make some changes. Here you can see if I want to keep as a upscaled one, let me change this to U. Just for reference I am changing upscaled height, upscaled width, upscaled points. Here it is going to be U, and U resized. Now I am going to give some high resolutions. Width is 500 and height is 400, or whatever size I can give, it's up to you. It's U point. So that's it. Now I have made some changes. Now let me print this by adding these two line of statements, so which is upscaled resized image. Here it is going to be U resized. So the same variable I am using here. Now let me save this, and already it is running, right? So I shouldn't do like this, but however, now let me click run again. So here you can see downscaled resized image, and what happened? Wait, let me save this. Once again I will run this. U width, U height, U points, yeah, everything done. Let me save this. And why it is still running? Yeah, let me save this and click run now. Here you can see that downscaled one and the original image. Something wrong with that. Yeah, upscaled resized image. So here you can see this, the updated resolution. So it's up to you when you are going to acquire a new image or acquire a new input from the directory. So if you are in a need of specific size, so you can use this method to acquire the image from the directory, right? So I hope that you got the logic and a simple line of codes, right? So practice this, and after completion update the screenshot in the WhatsApp group, and let me know if you have any doubts. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in another video. Thank you.